This video is for the area of composite figures subtraction notes. This is going to be lesson 810. All right, we've got another word problem. Mrs. Gray is going to paint one wall of her house, shown in the diagram to the right. The wall contains a door in the shape of a rectangle with a semicircle above the door and a triangular window. The paint she has selected is $13.13 per quart, and it covers 88 square feet. She plans to apply 2 coats of paint to the wall. How many quarts of paint will Mrs. Gray need? How much will it cost? So, all of our simple figures, that's what we need to do first. All right, so the big shape, the overall shape, is a large rectangle. Okay, then we've got a triangle. We've got a small rectangle. And then we've got the semicircle. All right, so find the area of each simpler figure. So let's find the large rectangle, which is the wall. Okay, that's just going to be, area is going to equal base times height. So area equals, so base times height, we've got 23 times 9.1. Oh, yep, that's right. So 209.3, and then this is all in feet, so feet squared. And then we can find the door. So area is going to equal 8 times 4 3/4. Okay, 4 3/4 is 4.75. Okay, that's why you need to know your decimals to fractions, or you have to walk around Texas because you cannot type that in your calculator. And so that one is 38 feet squared. All right, the triangle, that's going to be that little window there. So a triangle is 1/2 base height. So base of the triangle is 2 1/4, which is 2.25. 2.25 times the height of 2.6. And so that little window is going to be 2.925 feet squared. And then the semicircle is just half the area of a circle, pi r squared. So the radius of that, so see how that's halfway across? That's our radius, 2.6. So we're going to leave this one in terms of pi. So we're just going to do the half times the 2.6 squared. And that area is going to be 3.38 pi. Oh, that's not right. Let me see where I messed up. I don't know where I got my number messed up at. Hang on, guys. Let me look really quick here. Let me do the whole thing and see what I get. Yep, that's right. So 3.38 pi. Yep, that's right. I just wrote the wrong thing down. Okay. So for this one, we're going to subtract the areas you will not paint from the total area of the wall. So total area of the wall, sorry guys, is 209.3. We're going to subtract all these pieces we would not paint. Okay. Oh, that should be pi. Put that pi on the end there because it changes my answer. All right, so that's the amount of area that I can actually paint. 0.75 642, and that's feet squared. And then finally I need to find the cost of the paint. So I need 2 coats, which is 2 times the area that I can paint. So 2 times this times 2, so 315.5123. Okay. I have to determine the number of quarts that I need. So this is the area that I need to cover. But remember, each quart covers 88 square feet. So I can make a proportion. 1 quart covers 88 square feet. I need to know how many quarts that I need. This is tic-tac-toe. Okay? And then I know the number or the area that I have to cover. So this is cross multiply and divide. Okay. Okay, so 3.58. I can't buy 3.58 quarts. I need to round it up. 4 quarts. If it had been, say it had been like 3.2 quarts, I still would have rounded up to 4 because you can't buy that fraction of a quart. Paint comes in quarts or gallons or whatever the story tells you. All right. So 1 quart cost, let me drop this calculator, $13.13. So if I need 4 quarts, I need to multiply that times $13.13. So 4 times $13.13. And my total bill, the cost of the paint, is going to be $52.52. So that's it for this set of notes.